Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Embark on a quest for style and efficiency with our depth exploring on optimizing both elegance and storage, captivating through inventive cabinet concepts. Our hand-picked atmosphere transects the ordinary, featuring groundbreaking designs that effortlessly merge functionality with visual appeal, exploring the craft of utilizing every available space from discreetly concealed compartments to versatile cabinet elements, lifting your living areas to unprecedented levels. Our videos reveal the intricacies of inventive cabinet ideas tailored to diverse needs. Our design preferences, whether you're aiming for a sleek and minimalist ambiance or a welcoming, eclectic atmosphere, our collection serves as a wellspring of inspiration for every design inclination. Immerse yourself in the realm of intelligent organizational tools, smooth sliding mechanism, and adaptable configuration that metamorphose cabinets into dynamic components of interior design. Embark on a journey to maximize both style and storage, where each video unveils the latent potential of creative cabinet ideas, enriching the functionality and aesthetics of your space. These cabinets not only present efficient storage solutions but also evolve into fashionable essence that enhance the overall beauty and organization of your home. Embrace the seamless fusion of creativity and practicality as you embark on a transformative expedition into the realm of interior design excellence. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, or like Interior Design channel.